Welcome friends. How are you? Today we are at the Grangewood Park and it's so famous.
This park is popular for its gardens, sport facilities, and playground. Usually, squirrels eat peanuts, hazelnuts, walnuts, almonds, chopped apples, green beans, carrots, and spinach. And we fed them peanuts, and they ate happily.
Okay, now let's go in their rice. Let's go over. Yes? You do your boat. I did not do that.
Okay, you just go. I'm gonna do the.
Do the monkey dog. I can hear.
We got a new HP printer from the HP company. Our last printer was not working properly, so we called them. They tried to figure it out, but the problem was still there. So our printer was still in 1 year guarantee. Therefore, we can have a new printer without paying a single penny. It came with all of colorings, and it works fabulously.
Now my father has unpacked it and started using it. I hope you like my video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.